In this video, I'm going to go about showing you guys how to make $100 a day on Instagram utilizing affiliate marketing. If you're searching for a specific method that you can use, all the formulas that actually work, all the step-by-step, all the click-by-click, that's what I'm going to be doing in this video for you today. So guys, I was watching a video of a guy that makes $100 a day. Because guys, I like watching make money videos as well. And he was using this method to make $100 a day, guys. Just keep in mind that it works with one specific niche. But guys, there's a lot of products in this niche, so even if this video gets a whole bunch of views, it's not going to get saturated. With that being said, guys, let's get straight into this brand new method. So we're now inside of my computer and we're on a site called ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a site where you can promote other people's products and get paid for doing that, and that's called affiliate marketing. Now guys, I only recommend using ClickBank in two specific ways, either on Facebook or on Instagram. And I'll be showing you a specific product you can do this with, but that specific niche is weight loss or health. So there are tons of weight loss influencers and tons of influencers on Instagram that have accounts to do with health. So guys, we're going to be using one product. Keep in mind that this technique is currently working with multiple other products as well, but we're going to be using one example. But don't worry guys, you can definitely use this with other products as well. So we're going to go over to ClickBank and go over to the marketplace, and that is this page right here. We're going to click on this search icon right here, and it's going to show us some of the products that are converting really well right now. So you can see that this product right here, it's called Research, the Godzilla of offers. This one is converting really well, and the gravity score is 817, guys, which is pretty crazy. The higher the gravity score, the better the product converts. The higher, the better, and the more sales you'll get. But guys, when we're using a specific strategy like Instagram influencers, we want to promote a product that we know is selling really well across the board. So that's why we want to make sure that the gravity score is really high. So what we're going to do is use this product, for example, and you can see over here that it says affiliate page. So what we want to do is click on this right here and go over to their affiliate tools section. So we're gonna come over here and enter our ClickBank ID. I'm just gonna do that right now. And then it'll generate a link for you. So you can see right here that your ClickBank ID is embedded within the link. So this is your affiliate link. We're gonna be promoting this link right here, and whenever people click on this link and make an order to the product, we're gonna get paid. And guys, this is affiliate marketing. So again, the product name is called LeptiTalks. So now that we found our weight loss product on ClickBank, we're gonna go over to Instagram and start promoting this product. And we wanna find a weight loss influencer. Now, not just any weight loss influencer, guys. We wanna look for a more medium-sized influencer. And usually a personal brand works better, because what we're trying to do is build trust with the people that are buying. And influencers that have personal brands have already built trust with their followers, and they feel more comfortable with them. So these influencers have already done that for us. They've already built trust with their followers. So we're going to take advantage of that. What we're going to do is we're going to ask the influencers to promote a quiz for us. And in a second, if you guys stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you the quiz. So we're going to go to Instagram and we want to type in hashtag weight loss journey. So I've done that right here. And you can see that there's a number of influencers showing their weight loss journeys on here. So you could use the hashtags to find different influencers. And guys, if you look at the related hashtags, there's a number of hashtags that you could use to find even more influencers. So there's fat to fit, there's weekly weigh-in, there's weight maintenance, there's getting healthy, there's fat to fat. There's literally so many of them. So you can click on them and look for an influencer with good engagement on their account. Now guys, a lot of these ClickBank products are targeted towards older women that are a little bit older. So a tip for you is you want to find an older influencer, and that way it makes sense with their audience, because usually a younger woman wouldn't usually buy something like this, guys. So I found an influencer and she has about 15,000 followers. So you can definitely look for someone that has more followers, maybe around like 90K, maybe 80K. But this lady here is a little bit older, and she shares pictures of her family. So her audience trusts her because she's pretty open, and she posts pictures of her kids sometimes. So there's gonna be a level of like a close connection with her audience. So I'm not sure if she does shout outs, but we can always ask her. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit message after you follow her, or you can just go ahead and message her and ask her to do a promo or a shout out. Now we're not just gonna do any shout out, guys, but we're gonna do a story swipe up. That is the best kind of shout out to do in this strategy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask her to take a photo of herself, and she can write something on the photos with her asking her followers to swipe up to take a quiz, and she can add some facts about what the product is. Like for instance, this weird 5-second water hack is killing food cravings or something like that. Anything to do with the product that is really catching. So we can go on to the site, and they give us some resources over here that we can use in order to make our ad copies. So guys, some of the people that you reach out to might really try to overcharge you. You should be aiming for about 50 cents to $1 per swipe up. So for example, if the person has 95,000 followers and her stories gets around 3,000 views, and about 10% of people swipe up whenever she recommends something, that would be around 300 people swiping up. So if you give her around $150 to post on her story for 24 hours, which is how long a story lasts on Instagram, that would be a smart way to start. So remember, this product right here is gonna make us around $70 per sale. So if you just get a couple of people to buy the product, you're going to make your money back and then some. So you don't want to just give her the direct link to the product. You want to give her a link to the quiz that I talked about, just to warm the customers up a little bit. And guys, based off of their questions, you can even send them off to specific products. But guys, in this video, we're just going to do something a little bit simple. That's if you want to go a little bit more advanced. So what we're going to do is we're going to send them over to a quiz. For example, this quiz right here. We can ask questions like, are you a male or female? We know that they're going to be female, but we just want to make it more personalized toward that group of people. So we're going to ask questions like, what is your age? And what is your primary motivation to lose weight? So is it for improved health, to feel more attractive, have more confidence, and just questions like this. You could ask questions like, when have you been successful in a specific diet, and what was the main reason? But you could ask more simple questions if you want. I think the more simple, the better. So you could ask questions like, are you struggling to lose weight? And they could say yes or no, and things like that. And guys, the last question is going to lead them over to our product. So it's going to lead them over to this site right here. And by that time, they're going to be a little bit warmed up, and then we're going to get our sales. So this is the video that they're going to be watching once they click on that link. So it says right here, 5-second hack that kills food cravings and melts 62 pounds of raw fat. Now you could use this quote right here on the influencer's picture. You can tell them to use this quote right here in order to kind of get them started on the little journey. Now guys, if you want to scale up and make even more, you can move over from Instagram over to Facebook, guys. Now this product has been verified and is fine to use on Facebook, so you shouldn't worry about that, guys. Guys, look, have you noticed that whenever, just watch this, whenever the person is about to click off the video, it says, wait, save 15% with this coupon. So this is a product that is really converting. It's a really good one, and many people are getting a lot of success with it. If you want to scale up and start making way more than $100 a day, if you want to start making around 10K a month, maybe even 100K a month, then you're going to move over to Facebook, because there we can utilize Facebook ads. We're gonna have personalized statistics where you can target people based on their age, where they live, and very personalized things like that. And you could even target people on whether they want to lose weight or not using the Facebook ads platform. Now guys, if you want me to do more videos on affiliate marketing, then let me know down in the comments. But if you're still here, guys, I want you to type "I will be successful" down in the comments. Type "I will be successful" down in the comments, and let's confuse the people that are still watching the video and scrolling through the comments. Guys, make sure to check out my other videos because I post money making videos multiple times a week. So hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can be the first to try them out. Guys, if you're still here, you're gonna be rich. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed the video.